Welcome to GD News. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is located in East Asia on the southeast coast of China. Now Hong Kong People's Revolution of China country that peoples wants to special country and freedom of democracy. Hong Kong population 75 lakhs people surviving, but the city is behind of story. Hong Kong is waiting for democracy, peoples wants to freedom of Hong Kong. Since 1842 year battle of Chinese kingdom and Great Britain, but China lose this battle. At that time China lose this battle gives the land of Hong Kong place to Great Britain. The Great Britain ruling over unofficially 156 years in Hong Kong city. The China and Great Britain among one official agreement since July 1st 1898. 99 years Great Britain ruled and land of Hong Kong leased over. At that time Chinese goods transport of Hong Kong to England business run successfully. The Great Britain and China must and should follow their agreement system is over. Since 1997 1st July midnight the Great Britain announcement of Hong Kong independence tell to China. But Hong Kong place do not hand over till 50 years and fundamental rights given. Since 1997 1st July Chinese Communist Party leader Deng Xiaoping, the Great Britain Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher among one important agreement and rules written.
Now Hong Kong people are to run Hong Kong. That is the promise, and that is the unshakable destiny.
That first rule, now Hong Kong people run Hong Kong. Rule number 2, one country, two system. Rule number 3, right to freedom, right to speech, fundamental freedom, High Court of Hong Kong and Hong Kong Legislative Council special provides. Rule number 4, Hong Kong residents peoples provide right to vote. And last one, rule number 5, Hong Kong is not a part of 2047 but after rights to China country. That important rules and all conditions signed over China country. At the same time, former Hong Kong governor told to I am give strongly Hong Kong economy to the China country. Now Hong Kong GDP is Asia's first place. Now one time shows the Hong Kong and China GDP. Since 1993 economic statistics numbers $120 billion of Hong Kong, $440 billion China country. Since 1997 Hong Kong economy value 27%, highly difference of China. Hong Kong peoples every 4 years one time elections conducting. Hong Kong Legislative Council is a pro-democracy party, is highly ruling times. Now Hong Kong Chief Executive Leader Carrie Lam support of Communist Party of China overrule. Carrie Lam recently press meet tell to peoples we are all are supported Communist Party of China. This time Hong Kong people starting civil revolution. This revolution is starting 2018. Now Hong Kong independence revolution start peacefully. This revolution Chinese police army stopped the Hong Kong leaders and arrested of 10,000 peoples. This time 2,600 young leaders are injured. Chinese National Security Act passed over. Recently Hong Kong Security Act passed by Chinese government. New Hong Kong Security Protection Law tells terrorism, anti-government programs, anti-journalists seriously punishment to lifelong prisoner. Now recently 30 June 2020 will be Hong Kong Security Protection Law passed by Hong Kong Legislative Council. Hong Kong peoples wants to freedom of special country, but Hong Kong peoples requested to US President Donald Trump. Recently Trump told to I am supported of Hong Kong independence, I am interference of Hong Kong issue. But China says do not interfere of Hong Kong issue, this is the completely our internal issue. US President Donald Trump directly not involves the Hong Kong freedom issue. If Hong Kong democracy leaders are arrested recently, so many young leaders are arrested. Hong Kong police used lathi charges, tear gases and firing. It is very bad news. Now Hong Kong city situation is war condition. Few leaders talk to we are fighting justice. This is the historical moment for the future of Hong Kong. The passage of this law would affect all Hong Kongers. So I want to return to China to tone myself. I want to shoulder my own responsibility. I am also willing to expect any punishment. This issue is talked to former British governor. Says agreement rule is not followed China country. Rule of agreement 2047 after part of China inside rights of Hong Kong. Why did not follow international agreements? Why not talk to relative countries Hong Kong issue? He is questioned. So future of Hong Kong, another Beijing in China country.